All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this problem. Let me turn on the dimension real quick. So here, based on the dimension, I'm going to go ahead and start with the bottom section of the drawing, 100, 155, 75, and the 20. Along the way, we have the 60 and the 40 degree. So let's take that into our drawing. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start. Here we are. I'm going to do 100. And then at the end of this 100, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get that 60. So I'm going to hit the tab key and then do 60. And then I can extend it a little bit further. Now I can hit escape, right? Quickly to make sure that everything is the angle. Yes, 120. So this angle have to be 60. Next, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to jump into my center line. Let me turn it on over there. I'm going to drum into my center line and I will go to the right from there, 155. Then I'm going to go up 14.5. All right, so that is where I'm extending it, and then I go up. Right now I need that 40 degree, so I'm going to go here to get my line segment. I'm going to do 40 degree. So we look at this, the angle right now. Let's hit the tab key. I want 140 because the angle that I'm looking for is 40. So I'm going to try to extend it up there. Escape. Now I'm going to go back here. I'm going to do 75 this way. And then I'll do the 20. Now, let's talk about this 20 here. At this location from the left to right, that's 20. But up and down, we don't know what it is. We're just going to go ahead and guesstimate that is also 20 because the problem doesn't give that information. As you can see up here is 49.9 and 50. So it looked very close, but this one gives you the exact measurement. This one doesn't. I'm going to estimate that to be 20. So here at this endpoint, I'm going to go up 20. And then I'm just going to go ahead and connect that to that right there. Continue this drawing to go up to be 55. Then I'm going to go up again, 49.9. Go to the left, 50. And then what I'm going to do is at that point, I'm going to go ahead and connect the shape all the way to there. When I click that, I'm going to drop down right there, close out the shape. Okay. What I'm going to do is I also going to go here, connect the 50 and the 49.9. And we can trim out that little thing. You can do a chamfer later, but I'll just do that instead. We're going to do fillet. And I'm going to click on this one. You can see there's an angle to this one. This angle is actually of diameter of 60. So if I am to do a dimension on that one for you guys, I forgot to take that one out earlier. So the dimension on this one here is radius of 30 or diameter of 60. So same thing. Again, we go to fillet. Here we are. Click on that first one, radius. We're going to do 30. And then voila. So that's done. Next thing we're going to do, go back to my center line. I'm going to go here to the midpoint, connect it to the midpoint. The next thing I'm going to do, as you can see, we got a 36.7. That there's an arc that is 67.4. That's touching this at 36.7. So what I'll do is I'm going to offset. I'm going to offset 36.7. I'm going to offset this to the right. Okay, we have that. Now we're going to go ahead and go to circle here. Let's go take a look at a circle. And I'm going to take this midpoint here to do a center. This will be 67.4. Hit enter. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it. I'm going to move this circle here. Enter. I'm going to move it to the left right there. What we're going to do now is we're going to trim this out. This is the drawing. All right, when I trim that out, I can now get rid of that. I don't need that anymore. I also going to go ahead and trim this section out because I don't need it. I believe that's it on this end. What we're going to do next will be the center line for the other circle. Again, it doesn't give the exact measurement, but we're going to go ahead and assume that it's from that 50 going down. So we're going to assume that. There it is. Then we're going to go to circle to draw a circle of radius, I believe radius of 15. Again, I forgot to take out this dimension for you guys. So let me go ahead and take a look what it is. It's actually given in the problem. So diameter of 30 or radius of 15. So that information was given in the problem. So this will be 15 in radius, and that is all that we need. All you have to do is take out your dimension, make sure your dimension is the same as mine. And it is all the dimension here are given except for that 20 there and the segment here. So you can see all the angles are the same. That's angle 60. That angle right there is an angle here that is 40 or somehow. All right, if I do that, that angle is 40 degree. If I do this angle is 60 degree. You can see that, and all this measurement are as given. All right, enjoy.